Today I'm going to be making a Nigerian orange bun. Hello my people, Maggie is on it again. Today I'm going to be making a Nigerian orange buns. So for the buns we are going to be needing 4 cups of flour. I'm using this size of cup to take my measurement. 4 cups of flour, 2 large eggs, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use half cup of sugar, you can use 1 cup of sugar, depends on how sweet you want your buns to be. And this is 1 cup of milk. I'm using the liquid milk, 1.5% fat, so you can use any milk of your choice as well. I'm using 2 large eggs, and this 2 tablespoons of butter. So the butter was melted. So that is the recipe, and this is the orange I'm using. So I grate the skin here and the juice from the orange. So I just put this orange there so that you can see where the juice and the skin comes from. So let's give it a cake. Our buns is going to be yummy. And before you start the mixing, I already put my vegetable oil on the top in the pot so that it can be warm before the mixture is ready. And this is also vegetable oil. I'm going to be using this one to rub my hands to avoid greasing, to avoid the mix to be still, not to be sticking to my hands. So you will see what I mean later on. This we are going to be needed later, not now. So let's do it. So here is the 4 cups of the flour. Before you start your mixing, your hands have to be properly washed. So 4 cups of flour, the half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I just turn together. You can as well use the filter, but I'm just too lazy today. Anyway, you can mix with your hand. I'm going to be mixing with my hand. This is the 1/4 cup of sugar. And now I had the 2 eggs. You can mix the egg, you can put like that, you know, like I normally say in most of my video. I all do my thing. So now the orange juice, and the orange skin. Don't forget what I the butter. Don't forget what I said at the beginning. Your hands have to be properly washed. You can mix with your hand. This is the milk. So first I put half cup to see how the texture is going to look like. So now I'm using a stick to mix. You can mix with a stick like I'm doing, or you can mix with your hand. You see now it's a little bit too thick, so the remaining milk is going in. We are using 1 full cup of the milk. Buns, I think buns is among the easiest snacks that you can ever think of. Why I like buns, you can use it to drink your tea. You can eat it with tea or with coffee, or you can use it as after meal snacks as well. You see, everything is just perfect. So I'm going to be writing the whole recipe on the description box again. It's very easy. You don't need to wait for 2 hours or for 3 hours before you start to fry. The frying you start immediately. What I really find good in these buns, you can use lime flavor, you can use vanilla sugar, you can use whatever taste you want. So we've tried other flavor before, it really tastes good. So I promised my girl I'm going to make a new buns today that I'll be using orange flavor. So this is the extra vegetable oil that I kept. The purpose is to make your hand, to rub your hand so that the mixture will not stick. You see, it will come out clean. So the oil have been heated, yeah. So when the oil is hot already, when the buns is inside, you have to lower your heat. You see, the oil work very good, because if not, this buns thing to be very greasy and it sticks to the hands. To be difficult for one to really do it properly. So my mixture is a little bit light because it's the way we prefer it. Sometimes when you like a really hard buns, you can use half cup of milk instead of 1 cup. You can use half cup. You can use half cup. It's very easy. You can cut to the size that you want. When you like it big, you do small, whatever size you want. What I really love about this is the fact that you don't have to keep the mixture for hours before you start it. It's very fast to make. It's very, very fast. Very fast. I think that will be enough now on the pot. So I hope you can see the pot. You see, now they come up by themselves. So I now lower my cooking stove so that it will take time to really be well done. You see how beautiful they are. Oh, it's already looking yummy. This is my buns, Nigeria orange buns. Okay, my people, my buns is ready. You see the outcome? Let me cut one. Oh, yummy. You see? Very delicious. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will try to make myself a hot tea and enjoy this house. So if you have any question, anything you don't understand about the making of this Nigeria orange buns, don't hesitate to put your question in the comment section. I will definitely put an eye to that. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I remain your girl Maggie, M&S BeautyKonzept. I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.